Hi guys, welcome to Bread of Life Kitchen. Today we are making a very special delicacy. Yes, my daughter loves it so much, so we are making peanut butter soup. She enjoyed it and so she's here with me in the kitchen. So I'll be introducing her and she will be telling us more about this special delicacy and the ingredients for it. So hi babe.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be helping my mom introduce these ingredients so we can cook this special delicacy. So let's get started. Here we have our stripes, also known as shaki. Here we have our beef. Here is our chicken and turkey and cow feet. Here is all our spices and herbs. We have here cilantro seeds. We have rosemary. We have anise seeds and dried chili and some salt for taste. We have our shrimps. We have onions, garlic, and ginger. And here we have our bouillon cubes. And in this plate we have fresh tomatoes. We have scotch bonnet, and we have our main ingredient for this meal. We have our peanut butter, which I love. And here we have our dried catfish and mackerel fish.
So let's get started, guys.
Let's get started.
So guys, we'll be boiling our meats. We'll start with the tough ones first. So we're boiling our cow feet. Very good. So we'll add our shaki. So we'll boil for 20 minutes because it's a bit tough before we add our chicken and the turkey and beef. So this is our blended spices. So we're putting it. Very good. We want the food a bit spicy. So this is our blended onions, garlic. Yes, so nice. So as I said, we're going to boil for 20 minutes. So we're adding our salt to taste, then our bouillon cubes, yes, before we add our other protein. That's it for now. Okay, so we stir in all the ingredients. So we allow it to simmer for 20 minutes. So before we add our other protein to it. Okay guys, so we'll be right back. Hello guys, so our meat has been boiling for like 18 to 20 minutes now. So I'm going to add our turkey to it. This soft meat. So I'm adding our turkey, our beef. So we're allowed to simmer for another 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. So I'll taste the sauce. So beautiful. I added our scotch bonnet for more spices. So this scotch bonnet, don't worry, I'm going to blend. I just want the peppers to infuse inside our meat. So I'll take them off later to blend them with our tomatoes and our fresh tomatoes and our peanut butter. So we always add our peanut butter, we always add water to dilute our peanut butter so that it can be very light. While this meat is cooking, I'm going to be blending our peanut butter with our tomatoes. Okay guys, checking on our meat. See the way it's bubbling. It smells divine. Amazing. So we're adding our shrimps to it now. Yes, we just allow it to simmer for just 5 minutes. Then I'll take it off the heat. Wow. peanut and butter soup can be prepared in different forms, different ways. So this is one of my style of making it. So I will allow the shrimps to boil along with the meat for just 5 minutes, then I'll take it off the heat. It's so yummy. It smells amazing in my kitchen right now. My daughter most especially, she's so happy because she loves to eat it. So we're eating this soup with our rice balls. Yeah, you can eat it with anything. It's your agidi, amala, fufu, banku, plantain, yam, etc. So I like to simmer for just 5 minutes. Yeah. Hello guys, so the meat is ready. This is our meat. We already pulled it out of from the fire. So we're adding our peanut butter to it, our blended peanut butter with our tomatoes and puree. So we add it bit by bit. Yeah. Smells good. So just stir it in. Stir it in. So I'm going to raise this one. Hi guys. So we already have our peanut butter in here. Just add more water and stir. So make sure we are turning the peanut butter regularly to minimize burning, because we don't want that taste. So come checking it always and turning it. So we allow it to simmer for 20 minutes more. Yeah. So yummy. So now allow it to cook for 20 minutes. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, our peanut butter is steaming up. It's changed color, as you can see, so creamy. So guys, I will recommend a non-stick pan. As I'm using this one. Later I will transfer to a bigger pot because it's quite a lot. You see the color, so beautiful. Amazing, it smells so great in here. So I'm going to be adding my smoked mackerel fish and the catfish. So nice, tastes good, so gorgeous. Please guys, try it. There's so many recipes for this, so many ways of making it. So I'll be changing and turning my pot to a bigger one. The peanut butter is cooked now. I added this one for more flavor. You can have any protein of your choice, tuna fish, mackerel fish, any fish, salmon or whatever you have. You can also add your stock fish. Feel free, it's your own food. So I will be taking the pot to a bigger one now. You see, it's not sticking. So nice, beautiful. So I will be changing my pot right away to a bigger one. So guys, please, I recommend use a non-stick pan so that your peanut butter don't get burnt. Okay guys. So guys, I've changed the pot now to a bigger one. Our fish is already inside. So I'll be adding our feet, stripes, and our shrimps. It's so nice. Very spicy, so I'm going to taste. Wow guys, you are all welcome. Join me. It's so yummy. Tastes so good. Superb. Yeah, I'm telling you. Try it, guys. Okay? So I will be adding our turkey to it and the chicken. Okay? Hi, guys. So now I'm adding my chicken, turkey, and the beef. You see how our sauce is bubbling. The peanut butter. You see the way it's bubbling, our peanut butter. So I'm going to be adding our turkey, chicken, beef to our sauce. So yummy, guys, try it. Wow. Peanut butter soup. Wow. Amazing. You can see our shrimps inside. The soup is cooked. How do you know that? You see the oil getting on top of it? Yes. I cook it for like 30 to 35 minutes before I added my meat, my protein to it. So guys, we're allowed to simmer for just 2 minutes. You can adjust your taste this time around. Add more seasoning if you want to. Add your salt. So I'm going to taste again. Voila! Tastes so good, so yummy. Guys, try it. Peanut butter soup. So good. Tastes divine. I can't wait to eat it with my rice ball. So the soup is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming along. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you guys. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. And to the old ones, thank you and I love you all. So this is Bread of Life. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified, okay? Give me thumbs up, like, comment. Tell me what's next to cook. I'm free. Yeah. This is a super recipe for the family. So yummy. It's like soup. You can thicken it if you like. You see the way it's bubbling now? Oh, amazing. Thank you, foodies. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Don't worry. I'll call my baby Luisa to try the soup for us. And she's going to give you the feedback. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Love you to the moon. I'm back. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so this is our end result. We have our peanut butter soup here. It's ready, so yummy, with our rice ball in. So this is the full pot. I just added some spinach to it just for colors, you know me. I just garnish it up. It's optional if you like. So I just added a few couples of spinach leaves. Okay, so now my daughter is going to taste the soup and tell us how she feels about it. Hi, baby.
Hi. So right now I'm going to try the peanut butter soup. Let's see how it tastes.
Okay.
So, this is the best thing I've ever tasted. I recommend this to you, and it's so delicious. This is the best thing ever. Like, you have to try this. Like, so good. So, bye guys.
Bye. So me too. I will also take a taste of it. It's our rice ball. So spicy. Nice. Bye, foodies.
Bye.
See you again on our next video. Stay blessed and be happy. Bye-bye.